Cities A and B are 45 miles apart. Alicia lives in A and Beth lives in B. Alicia bikes towards B at 18 miles per hour. Leaving at the same time, Beth bikes towards A at 12 miles per hour. How many miles from City A will they be when they meet? So we have City A and City B, which we'll represent with points, and the distance between them is 45 miles, as we know. We know that Alicia is biking at 18 miles per hour, and we also know that Beth is biking at 12 miles per hour. So we can say that T is the time it takes for Alicia and Beth to meet. So then we can set up a system of equations using the variable t, because we know that speed times time equals distance. So we have 18 times t plus 12 times t equals 45 miles. Simplifying. So then we know t equals 45 over 30, which is 1.5 hours. But what we really want to know is how many miles from City A will they be when they meet. So we can focus on Alicia for now, but we could also focus on Beth if we wanted to. So we know that after 1.5 hours, Alicia, who is traveling at 18 miles per hour, will meet Beth. So Alicia will have traveled 18 times 1.5, which equals 27 miles. The weight of 1/3 of a large pizza, together with 3½ cups of orange slices, is the same as the weight of 3/4 of a large pizza, together with half a cup of orange slices. A cup of orange slices weighs 1/4 of a pound. What is the weight in pounds of a large pizza? Well, we can just write an equation for this. So we have 1/3 of a large pizza plus 3½ cups of orange slices. We know an orange slice is, let's write this as 7/2. We know an orange slice is 1/4 of a pound. Okay, this equals 3/4 of a large pizza plus half a cup of orange slices. So we're just going to move the terms with p to one side and the constant term to another side to solve for p. So we know that 6/8 equals 3/4 minus 1/3 p. This is basically the same thing as 5/12p. So we have p equals 3/4 times 12/5, which simplifies to 9/5. And looking at the answer choices, we see that 1 4/5 is the same as 9/5, so our answer is A. Problem 3 asks us, how many positive perfect squares less than 2023 are divisible by 5? Well, we want to find the largest positive perfect square that is less than 2023. So we're going to test out 45 times 45. Add that up. And what we end up getting is 2025. So that means that the squares 1 squared, 2 squared, and all the way up to 44 squared they're going to be less than 2023. Because 45 squared is 2025, so that's too big. Now we're going to look at the multiples of 5 that are less than 44. We know 5 times 1 is 5, and 5 times 8 is 40. So there are 8 multiples of 5 less than 44. So that also means that there are 8 positive perfect squares less than 2023 that are divisible by 5. Because if a number is divisible by 5, so is its square. And if a number squared is divisible by 5, then the number must be divisible by 5. Thanks for watching this video. I know I find it really helpful to listen to an audio of a problem being solved, so if you found this helpful, please subscribe, and thanks.